Daniel Kariuki, KTN News.
Thank you, Kariuki. Now, the Core Civil Society Network for Human Rights has asked Parliament to expedite on the Division of Revenue Amendment Bill 2024 to enable counties to fulfill their responsibilities. However, the National Assembly and the Senate are divided over the bill's provisions. The amended version from the National Assembly proposes to reduce county allocations by 20.12 billion shillings from 400.12 billion shillings in the Division of Revenue Act 2024 to 380 billion shillings. Chairperson Zedekiah Adika noted that counties are struggling to finalize their budgets due to the incomplete status of the Division of Revenue Bill 2024.
There are a lot of bills that are pending within the County Assembly. We want to call upon the County Assembly of Mombasa and the County Executive to harmonize their way of legislating to ensure that all the bills and policies that are required, say for the next one financial year, are put within a work plan and they do not exhaust communities with constant public participation.
Kwa hivyo yangu ni kuhimiza kwamba wananchi wa Mombasa, wananchi wa Kenya ya kwamba wajue hizo nguvu na wachukue hizo nguvu. Tutaweza tu kubadilisha county government yetu ya Mombasa ama Kenya kwa jumla ikiwa tutaweza kutambua nguvu ambazo tuko nazo. Muhimu kwamba kwanza kabisa ni kuwa tuweze kupata information. Unajua ukiwa na information unakuwa na nguvu zaidi ya kukwesha.
The Ministry of Education has issued a warning to land grabbers encroaching on school property.